Welcome, my lovely friends, to my home. From my house to yours presents today how to make paper cones. So stick around, guys, and see how I did these lovely paper cones. Now I have all my materials here. I'm using lame, paper lame. I'm using Bristol board, construction paper. I'm using mesh, decor mesh, and I'm just showing you different varieties that you can use. I have my tape here, my plastic tape, and I have my scissors. So this is construction paper, and you can use any paper to do cones. Some of them are a little softer, some of them are a little bit harder. But I'm showing you that you can use any paper around, just like paper flowers, to make your cones. So this is one way to do it, where you just roll it up and cut around the edge. Now you're not going to make a straight cut, you're going to make kind of a curve cut. And this was quite easy. So this is just one of them. And you can make varying lengths. You can stick the construction paper if you're using construction paper together. And in this case, I'm showing you another way where you can use your tape. I have a plastic tape here, and all I do is pin it to the top, get my measurement that I want to use, and just trace it around. This plastic tape has holes in it, so you can place your pencil or whatever you're using and just cut around the edge. And of course you glue it in place. Now the glues I will use is either the paper glue or my glue gun. This here is Bristol board, and I follow the same method. I stick my pin in there, and then I place it to the measurement that I want. So you can make small, medium, or large patterns. In this case, I'm making different size patterns, so I will make all my patterns and set them aside and then cut out the other pieces. Now you can totally cover this with fabric also. This is lame, guys. It has a lovely pattern in it, and this is the decor mesh. Now what I'm doing is cutting all the decor mesh that's going to go on top of the pieces to the particular size that I want. So I'm just using the template from the paper. So I do the decor mesh, I do the lame paper. Now there are also lame fabrics. So this is the decor mesh. You can make lovely rosettes and so on with that. So once I have all my pieces cut out, I will just continue to get my paper stuck. Now, like I said, you can use paper glue, you can use your glue stick, or you can use your glue gun. This is just the roll-on paper stick here, and I also have white glue. Now I'm showing you that you can use different methods. What I want to do, guys, is because the lame is kind of soft, I want to make a home paste for it, starch, and I just put some water on to heat on my stove, and I'm using flour, and I will just mix it to a good consistency. There's one of my tongue tires again, guys. Consistency, and I will pour it into the water. You will bring this to a boil, and you will stir it constantly until you get the texture that you want. Once I have my texture, I pour it out on a cookie tray, and I dip my pieces in it. Make sure they are saturated really good. I squeeze off the excess, and then of course I will put it to dry. Now I will leave it to dry overnight. So you can air dry or you can sun dry. And this is how it looks. It came out, I have a lovely texture to it now. And now I will proceed to covering my cones. So I'm going to cover all the cones with the different pieces of the papers that I have cut out. This one is the gold. I'll just use my paper glue. And of course, guys, eventually I will shift to my glue gun. And you just roll it around and get that stuck in place. I'll set this to dry. This is the silver lamy. Now lamy comes in all different colors and patterns. I will do the same to the other pieces. Now this particular one I will just roll this is the decor mesh. I will just roll that as is. And this is the other one. This is the taller one of the set. And I'm going to, I did give it a mist of gold on the green paper, and I'll just roll it in the decor mesh. And this is the other one. I'm going to put the gold mesh over it to give it a sparkle. So guys, I hope you are enjoying my uploads. I enjoy sharing these things with you. Please like and subscribe. Click that bell notification on the side there and become one of my family. I always love when you pop by. So this one is the lame silver, and I'm using the silver mesh and I'm gluing it onto the piece. So like I said, I want a different look to each of them. So when you see it at the end, you will see what I'm talking about. And guys, this is very easy to make. It's not hard at all, and it takes no time. And guys, this is how it looks. All of them, they turned out so nicely. I just put my candles on the inside to get that glow. And guys, when this lights up in the night, it looks exquisite. So guys, thanks for being with me, letting me share all my videos with you. You are part of my family. I'm Theclastyle, and from my house to yours, I will see you quite soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay blessed, guys. Yeah, loves you.